Hi guys, welcome to Menua. So as I said in my last video कि आपका सेट जनरल सेट बी का एग्जाम एंड स्लैट फॉर द लॉ will get postponed या तो फिर आपका एग्जाम ऑनलाइन मोड होगा. So finally Symbiosis have announced to take your exam internet based online proctored format. So you have to write exam from your home itself the way they have done for the set A. So now let me take you to the official website of Symbiosis and tell you the detailed information. Okay, this is what the official website of Symbiosis and you can see the date. Set B का जो एग्जाम का डेट है वो 26 ऑफ जुलाई से लेकर के 29 ऑफ जुलाई तक रहेगा एंड एग्जाम टाइमिंग जो है वो 3 PM एंड फॉर स्लैट इट इज 26 ऑफ जुलाई टू 28 ऑफ जुलाई. टाइमिंग इज 9:30 AM to 11:15 AM and your exam will be internet based from your home itself. And this is what the guidelines they have given regarding the examination, so just click on it. So this is how the 27 page PDF will open guys, kindly go through it. So in this PDF they have given you the detailed information एग्जाम के लिए आपको क्या क्या डिवाइसेस लगेगा एंड हाउ कैन यू राइट द एग्जाम फ्रॉम योर होम. So kindly go through this PDF by going to their official website. Let's come to the main point, which is nothing but the paper pattern. So once again they have changed the paper pattern. For SLAT what they have done, from each section you will be getting 15 question. Okay, so logic, legal, analytical, reading comprehension and general awareness, combining all this section you will be getting 15 questions. So overall 75 questions होंगे which you have to complete in 75 minutes for MCQ and next 30 minutes you will be getting for your VAT. So they have reduced the number of question. Same way if you look at set B for BBA student, English 20 question आएगा 20 marks के लिए, Quant which is nothing but your maths 20 question for 20 marks, general awareness 20 question for 20 marks, analytical and the logical reasoning 15 question for 15 marks. So again 75 minutes to solve MCQ question and 30 minutes for the VAT. So overall जो पेपर होगा आपका 105 minutes का होगा guys, which is nothing but 1 hour and 45 minutes. And next is about the personal interview जो कि आपका online over the video chat application के through होगा आपका personal interview. And about the result dates, let's go to the important dates. Result will get announced by 7th of August for SLAT and set B student. So your slot booking for set B and SLAT will start from 14th to 17th of July. So as many students were calling and asking about the exam कि सर exam होगा या postponed होगा क्योंकि center पे जाना is not feasible. So guys finally Symbiosis have decided to take online exam from your home itself. So this will be the final date for the exam guys. Don't think कि अभी date postponed होगी and you will get more time for the preparation. Definitely not, because now they have taken their final call which is nothing but the online mode exam format. So whatever preparation you have done so far, kindly revise all those topics again and do appear for the mock test. And also we have launched Symbiosis mini course, and if you're lacking particular section, go and check the sectional courses. And if you don't have a books, just started your preparation, you can take the access of ebooks. So all the BBA students, those who want to join online program, kindly visit menuedu.com/BBA entrance. For any query and doubt, you can call on this number. And for law student, kindly visit menuedu.com/law entrance. Link for this online program I have given you the description guys, so kindly check the description. And all the very best for your preparation guys. Thank you.